Good morning. It is a little after 5 o'clock this morning, and we have a pour this morning. We are pouring a pretty good sized driveway. The difficulty that I'm having this morning is that I had a concrete sawing company scheduled to saw cut the curb on the job, which is the kind of the bump at the bottom of the driveway that everybody hates. I had them scheduled to saw that last night. And I called them late afternoon to make sure because it has to be sawed or we can't pour. And they said they couldn't get there. So I told them I had concrete this morning, and they said that the best they could do was 7 o'clock this morning. So I had to push concrete back this morning, and I also had to get in contact with the inspector and push him back. So I'm hoping everything works out. I hope the guy shows up at 7 or earlier and starts cutting the curb and leaves us time to pour the driveway. So the day is starting out a little rocky, but hopefully by the end of the day, we're going to see a finished driveway. How much garbage do we make?
Rainproof and only available at the Home Depot.
Oh, you know what? It might be under my video.
Yeah, very busy. All right, thank you. All right, it is 6:22. I'm pulling in the yard, and hopefully everybody shows up today, and we're gonna have a good day. But we will see what happens. Best I can do is, what did you need? Signs?
6 of them, yeah.
I don't even know if I have 6 made.
5. That'll work. Thank you. Thank you.
I mean, I got a million of them, but we gotta
Right,
make
that
them.
works, yes.
Morning.
Morning.
Why you look like you're on spring break? We're pouring concrete, man.
Take the chainsaw.
Good luck. Do you have 2 pieces there? Yeah. Put this on here right here. All right, we just pulled up to the job. Daryl, where did you get that car? Where'd you get it?
He got it from the scrapyard.
From the scrap yard. How much did he pay for it?
Nothing.
I can tell. All right, so it's Tuesday morning, pouring this driveway that we set up yesterday. It's 7:30 in the morning. Saw guys just showed up. They were supposed to be here yesterday. Then I called and they didn't come. Had concrete ordered for earlier this morning. Now we're waiting for the saw guys to cut. And I had to push concrete back. And I had an inspection. I had to push that back. I'm telling you, when it comes time to pour concrete, something almost always goes wrong. It's inevitable. How's it going? This is gonna be a rush, man. You guys are late. Hey, can you guys go a little faster? All right, so we are waiting for the saw guys to finish. They finally got here. Concrete's coming pretty shortly. They're almost done, so that should work out. The problem that caused is that I have all these guys standing around doing absolutely nothing. I get 7-bag low chilled air microfiber. 22 yards. Daryl, you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yeah?
Yes, I am. Ready, boy?
You gotta rub his belly for good luck. You're the one that sleeps on the job. I always see you hiding in the truck sleeping. Morning.
You want to come?
You ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
Oh, who stepped in the wet screen?
It looks like you.
No.
I think you did.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, if you just bounce it, it ain't going anywhere.
Oh, it's Daryl. Daryl! Are you holding the rock down? So it doesn't float away? Come on. We poured the concrete on the upper portion of the driveway here. It's a pretty big area. And we're waiting right now for the concrete to set up. So that's my issue, is I ordered this concrete with accelerator in it. Accelerator does what it says. It accelerates the set time of the concrete, and my concrete company forgot to put it in. All right, I'm just putting the joints in here. And like I mentioned last time, joints got to be straight. It's one of the ways you know you got a quality job with a skilled contractor is your joints are straight, among many other things, but that's a real telltale sign. Daryl, you busy?
I'm about to go to this now.
So what you're telling me is no. Daryl, can you do anything right at all?
Yeah, I can.
Man!
Let me grab that broom.
No, we want the broom line straight. Now,
Yeah.
you know what you're doing?
Yep.
How long you been doing this?
Too long.
It seems like 2 weeks.
Oh man.
Marcel,
What?
you know what you're doing? Well, at least you're honest.
Oh, yeah.
Not like Al. Last square, easy money. Easy money, right Al?
Whole job's easy money.
All easy. All right, we just finished up. Well, we're just finishing up. I have to broom the last couple squares. These guys are just getting off the slab. Went really, really good. You like it, Bugs? Yes, sir, I do.
If Bugs likes it, then everybody's happy. So, there it is there. Still got to broom a couple squares up there, but it's a little wet, so I got to give it just a few minutes.
How's it going?
All right.
You in a bad mood? How come you're so early? No, he's just stuck on the pin. Marcel, you do burpees to get in shape and then you smoke cigarettes. That makes no sense. Literally none. Daryl, can't you do anything right?
Yeah, I can.
Anything at all.